inside to achieve your vision. Without vision, it will be very difficult for you, everybody. It's not for only for organizations, for individuals, even for the kids. We need to create a vision for life for them. I will share some small things, a lot have been shared, but कुछ चीजें जो मेरे experience से मुझे मालूम है, which will help you to achieve your vision, whatever vision you create for yourself. But there will be some basic things which will definitely make you will help you. And the first thing which I normally recommend to my colleagues, to all those who I interact, is read good things. Because it's said that readers are leaders and leaders are readers. You need to read good things, very important in life. आपकी courses की जो books हैं वो तो अपनी जगह हैं, but इसके अलावा भी आपको you have to find time to read good things. Create a habit of reading things. That will help a lot in your career. Not only read, when we talk about read, first read it, then ponder on it, so सोचिए उसके बारे में, then imbibe it in your behavior, in your life. Because विनोबा भावे ने भी एक बार कहा था कि पढ़ना एक गुना, चिंतन दो गुना, और आचरण में उसको जब लेके आएंगे तो 4 गुना फायदा होता है. So you should make an habit, because जब हमारी उम्र में आपके अगर आप पढ़ने की कोशिश करेंगे तो then you get a headache, सिर दर्द चलना चालू हो जाता है. Because making a habit of reading is very important for you all. Start from today. And once you create vision, be focused on achieving, because आपका जो long term goal है, the long term goal which you will be creating for yourself, if you put hard work now and more you discipline on that from today, the more enjoyable your life will be in future. And remember that life is a mixture of success and failure both. It will not be that you will always be successful. It is a mixture of both and fail, but don't let the failure stop you. किसी भी तरह का failure से you should not get demotivated. Never give up. Be confident, because it's said that in life, in sports, or in competition, there is, I think, one battle. The battle is won twice. The first one is, it is won in your head. You should be confident about yourself. आपको ये आत्मविश्वास होना चाहिए. You should be very confident. Yes, whatever I am planning, whatever I have targeted for, I will achieve. And success doesn't come on overnight. You have to work hard for it. We talk about work-life balance, but yes, I still say that after 6 invisible, that is a good idea. But initial stage of your career, please put whatever you start from today. Career starts after two years, but start putting your hard work from today itself. Think starting your hard work will pay you in a later life. As a corporate person, when we move to select students, normally what we look for, we look for intellectual maturity, definitely that is everybody is for, but we also look for social maturity and emotional maturity of the person. So as a student, you should now start recognizing your strength and weakness, very important. What is my strength? What are my weaknesses? If you are able to recognize those strengths, please try to build on those strengths. And if there is some area where you can still upgrade yourself, put your efforts. Try to learn those competencies which are required to be successful in this world. You have to list down those competencies and then try to assess yourself. Very important. Everybody knows that communication is an important part of your competency which will make you successful in future. Now, drill it down. Your written communication, your oral communication, the way you present yourself, the presentation skills, not only the listening skills. Try to evaluate yourself on those parameters and see that where you stand, where you need improvement. That becomes very important. I am from manufacturing industry, and normally we talk about increasing productivity through low cost in automation. We least investment and you get a major result. I will suggest two or three low cost inputs for your future. The one is that carry a smile always. It's very important. If you carry a smile on your face, whatever is going in your mind, if you carry a smile, it will help in your life. Try it. It will give a result. Then relations are created face to face, not online. So keep in your mind, I know that everybody is so busy. I was traveling to Mumbai yesterday. At airport I have seen, there were 10 people standing in front of me, everybody was busy in their mobile. But it's said that relationship